Trekking in Nepal is one of the most popular and unique experiences in Asia. The streets of Kathmandu and Pokhara, the trekking hub, are constantly bombarded with travelers, organized tours and guides, and various gear on display for sale or rent. Due to the wide variety of options available, individuals of numerous cultures, ages and capabilities usually attempt a trek in the country. Unlike other expeditions that require months of rigorous planning, you can arrive in Kathmandu with little or no plans at all and join the next trail in a matter of days. Here are a few tips on the things you need to know before embarking on the trek in the Nepalese Himalayas.
Tip 1. Best season for a trek. Although there are no specific rules for the best weather in the mountains, October seems to be the most popular season. This is as a result of reliable, pleasing weather. 80 degrees Fahrenheit and humid at 2,000 feet. 20 degrees Fahrenheit and dry at 17,000 feet. And clear blue skies. However, the weather is wetter, and there is a sudden of wind blowing fast from nowhere. The rule of thumb here is to pack in preparation for any sudden change in weather. Tip 2.
Obtain a trekking permit. At $25 per individual, every trekker is required to get a permit before getting on the trail. You can pick your permit from the Annapurna Conservation Area Project Office on Tridevi March in Kathmandu. There is no need for reservation as the office is open for business from 8 in the morning until 5 in the evening daily.
Tip 3.
Toilets on the trek. On the Annapurna circuit, the toilets are extremely basic and require some getting used to. I recommend that you bring along some soft toilet paper for a little bit of home comfort. You'll be glad you did.
Tip 4. Adequate Nepalese money. Everything is generally cheap at the beginning of the trail, but as you climb higher, prices are likely to rise.
It is crucial that you bring ample Nepalese rupees to cater for all your needs.
Tip 5. Prevent altitude sickness. Altitude sickness
can affect everyone differently at different heights, ranging from 1,500 meters to above 5,500 meters. However, this can be prevented easily by drinking adequate water, maintain high level of energy by eating regularly, and walk slowly, so that your body can acclimatize, thereby adjust to the height.
In conclusion, no matter how prepared you might appear to be, these trails can be very tricky. Always trust your instincts, inform your guides, and never risk your health.